Next month will mark the 6th anniversary of the native land occupation in Caledonia, and the conflict is far from over. Activist Gary McHale and some of his supporters were in court today as they challenged the provincial government and the OPP over their handling of the dispute with accusations of racism. Al Sweeney was in court in Cayuga and has the latest.
These people call themselves the Caledonia 8 and say they're victims of provincial government racism and racist policing by the OPP.
It's illegal for the government to say there's no non-natives are allowed on Ontario land.
Leave the property immediately or you will be arrested for trespassing. Will you comply?
Activist Gary McHale and the 7 others were arrested and charged with trespassing last month when they tried to march onto the Caledonia land occupied by natives almost 6 years ago, land now owned by the provincial government.
I've never had handcuffs on before. This is exciting.
They say the police were wrong to arrest them on public land. In court, they asked for an immediate trial, but a government lawyer was granted a routine delay. McHale accused the government and the OPP of deliberately dragging it out.
This is all just stalling and stalling and stalling to put some sort of punishment on us because we have to appear in court on a regular basis when they know full well the court will never convict us of anything.
It's designed to wear us down, and ultimately I think they will drop the charge.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
McHale and his supporters also say they were arrested on a road through the occupied land owned by Haldimand County, not the province, and say there's even less justification for trespassing charges. McHale subpoenaed Haldimand Mayor Ken Hewitt to appear as a witness. When the mayor didn't show up, McHale tried to have an arrest warrant issued for him, but the Justice of the Peace refused and remanded the case until next month. So this is due back in court on February the 3rd. The so-called Caledonia 8 say they're ready for a trial any time, even though the government hasn't provided the necessary disclosure of evidence against them. They're convinced the charges won't stick. The Attorney General's Department wouldn't comment on this today. Kate?